Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at the evolution and showing you how to adjust the eccentric spacers so that you have good performance with your CNC. Now for the X1 and the X2 as well as the Y, you're going to be taking the eccentric spacers, and if it's on the left side, you're going to turn it clockwise. If you're on the right side, you're going to turn it counterclockwise until they're snug up against the bearings, and then you're just going to go ahead and tighten them down. Now for the Z, you'll notice that we actually have 4 eccentric spacers, and you'll see that this is really loose, and so we need to get it adjusted so that not only is it snug up against the rails, but the Acme rod will actually go through the bottom hole centered. Okay, so what do we need to do this? We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and a 13mm wrench. Okay, so I like to adjust my lock nut and screw so that the eccentric spacer can move with my 13mm wrench, but it's not really sloppy, so it'll stay in place. So we're going to follow the same procedure. We're going to go clockwise here, and on this side we're going to go counterclockwise, and we're going to adjust them equally. So if you look real close, you can see that the fat part of my eccentric spacer on this side is facing inboard, and my fat side of the eccentric spacer is facing this way. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and just go 1 tick up this way, and then I'll go 1 tick up that way, and then I'll check to see, but yep, it's still loose. So I'll keep on doing that, going 1 tick at a time. That's a little bit better. And now I noticed that it's starting to get on top, so I'm going to do the same thing. So I went about 3 clicks, so I'm going to go about 3 clicks there, and then I will do the same thing on this side. And you'll see, no, that's a lot better. So I'm going to keep on going, right? Clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. Now once I get that to where it's nice and snug, then I can reach through. I can even actually start to feel it. I can reach through with my Phillips screwdriver through the back. I have it adjusted in the right spot. If it's not, you can go rotate this by hand to get it in the right spot. And you can go ahead, put your Phillips screwdriver on there, and now really crank down on the lock nut. Okay? And you'll do this for all 4 sides. Those are a little bit more difficult to get to. Definitely doable. And I'm going to go ahead and slide it over this way. Get to that last one. And there you have it. Adjusted and snug and still going through the center like we want. This is the same process for trimming that you'll want to do in a later step if we didn't get it exactly right here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you watch our other troubleshooting videos as well.